What's up with the YouTube? So today we're gonna be washing the cars. Let's going to the car washing both of the cars right now. Let's see. Let me clean the inside of this thing. Y'all should be having it dirty in this motherfucker. Not too bad though. We finna put and jar off. So put it out there, come over there. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get another, either a chrome cap or something for this mirror. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe. But so we just got done cleaning the inside out. Don't look too bad. I gotta shampoo it at home, but shouldn't look too bad. Keep you stuck in the door. Ooh, it's hot. The area isn't working right now. I don't know what the problem is, but I either have to put some Freon in it or something, because it's not working at all. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna have the windows down.